The internet is an ocean of noise. Billions of bytes of data, mostly meaningless, but sometimes. In the deepest waters, a signal appears that changes everything. It started on January 4, 2012. Users on the anonymous image board, 4chan, stumbled upon a stark, black and white image. There was no fanfare, no introduction. Just a simple message that read, "Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test." Most people scrolled past it. They thought it was a troll, a prank, just another day on the internet. But a few curious minds decided to look closer. They didn't just look at the image, they looked inside it. Opening the file in a text editor revealed a hidden string of code. A Caesar cipher. This wasn't just a picture. It was a rabbit hole, and those who stepped inside had no idea how deep it would go. As the first riddles were solved, the puzzles became harder. Complex cryptography, steganography, ancient history, but then something terrified the players. The game, escape the screen. Hidden within the code was a phone number. When you called it, a robotic voice didn't give you an answer. It gave you coordinates. Suddenly, the internet had to mobilize in the real world. Paris, Warsaw, Seoul, Seattle. In 14 cities around the globe, posters were found stapled to telephone poles. A simple cicada image. A QR code. This proved one thing: whoever was behind this had resources. They had reach, they were everywhere. Scanning the QR codes led the finalists to the edge of the known internet. The dark web, a hidden Tor site, appeared with a countdown clock. Thousands of people watched the seconds tick away, holding their breath. But when the clock hit 0, the door slammed shut. The site went offline with a final message: "We have found the individuals we were looking for." For the thousands left behind, there was only silence. Until leaks began to surface, the winners spoke of a book. A strange, runic manuscript known as the Liber Primus. But before anyone could truly understand it, Cicada vanished into the digital void. Silence for a whole year. Many thought the game was over, but cicadas, in nature, they hibernate, they wait. Exactly 1 year later, January 4, 2013, a new image appeared, a new round had begun. But this time, the difficulty curve wasn't just steep, it was vertical. They released a song titled The Instar Emergence. The clues weren't in the lyrics, but hidden visually in the audio waveforms. They released a bootable operating system. The message was clear: they didn't just want smart people anymore. They wanted the best cryptographers on the planet. But power attracts enemies. By 2014, the fame of Cicada 3301 had grown to large. The mystery had gone viral. As the community waited for the third round, something went wrong. Impersonators flooded the forums, fake puzzles appeared everywhere, leading people into malware traps. And then, the unthinkable happened. The PGP key, the digital fingerprint Cicada used to verify their identity, was compromised. Trust collapsed instantly. The real organization issued a rare, direct warning: beware false paths, always verify PGP. The purity of the puzzle was tainted by chaos. The game was broken. they? This question haunted the forums and chat rooms. Some said it was a recruitment drive for the NSACI or MI6, searching for the next generation of codebreakers to fight cyber wars. Others believed it was a global hacker collective, a darker, more elite version of Anonymous, or maybe a cult, a secret society blending modern technology with ancient philosophy, trying to evolve humanity. Cicada never confirmed, they never denied, they simply tested. What did they leave behind? The Liber Primus. The first book, it is a masterpiece of encryption. Pages filled with runic text, philosophy, and hand-drawn art. It speaks of the loop, of enlightenment, of transcending the self. It wasn't just a puzzle anymore, it was a manifesto. To this day, despite the combined computing power of thousands of solvers and AI, only a fraction of this book has been decoded. It stands as a digital monolith, unbreakable, funding our intelligence. After 2014, the transmission stopped. Years turned into a decade. Every January 4th, the community would wait, refreshing the page, hoping for a sign. But all they found were copycats, fakes, and dead servers. The silence was louder than the noise. Had they found their recruits? Did they run out of funding, or did they simply ascend to a place where we couldn't follow? The trail had gone cold. Today, the fervor has settled into dedication. The solvers are no longer racing, they are archiving. In Discord servers and private wikis, a dedicated community keeps the torch alive. They analyze the Liber Primus, byte by byte, hoping to crack just one more page. They are the digital archaeologists of our time, guarding the legacy of a mystery that defined an era of the internet. An era where privacy was a right, and anonymity was a weapon. So, what was Cicada 3301? Maybe the answer isn't in the coordinates, or the code, or the book. Maybe the puzzle was the destination. They forced us to learn to think critically, to question the nature of information and surveillance. The cicada insect stays underground for years, waiting for the perfect moment to emerge. Perhaps they are gone forever, or perhaps they are just waiting for us to be ready. The internet is full of undiscovered secrets. Join Project Ciphera to uncover them.